Hello everyone, I'm here today with another process video in my Double Trouble series. So I'm doing 2 pages that are 12 by 12. And this one's a little bit different in that these are not from the same event, but they're going in the book next to each other and I want them to match. Sometimes I don't mind if they don't, but in this case, just given the colors that are going on and just this whole album is so special because it's Universal in Florida, Harry Potter stuff, which we absolutely love as a family. I really want it to look cohesive and to go well together. So I am going to do these together as one spread here. So this will be the left side, which is more spell casting around. Was this Diagon Alley or was this Hogsmeade? I think this is Diagon Alley still. It has to be, yep, because the other side is Gringotts. And so here you can see the purple, that's where the purple comes from. And then here as well. And so I'm trying to match all of those together. So this is my starting point then. So I've picked out some stuff to go on both sides. On this one, you can kind of get a preliminary look there. I'm going to put that aside. And I'm going to start with the left-hand page here. So here's my pile of stuff, and I just really need to map it out and figure out where everything's going to go. At the top of this left-hand page, I think I want to have this strip of blue pattern paper, and then my title is going to go up there. And I have believe this is acrylic, and then right now this wood veneer piece. And I think what I'm going to do is do something like this, maybe stagger it a little bit so that it says believe right now. So it'll be something like that. And then I have this just scrap of yellow piece of paper, and it matches this here, and it doesn't serve a huge purpose other than just being for color. So I think I want it over here somewhere, maybe flush to the blue there, maybe not, I'm not sure, but somewhere kind of off center here, taking up the left side. And you know what, when I see that, it's a lot of yellow near the yellow. Maybe I will need to move this and make the title more central. I don't like it straight on top of each other like that. It looks weird. So I want it staggered somehow. Maybe more like that, so that this is a little off, but the believe is centered. I like that better when I see it like that. So I'm going to leave it like that, at least to start with, and then I'm going to arrange my photos and my cards. So here are the cards I picked out. This is one that is kind of like a little mini guide on how to cast spells. It's from a Harry Potter digital set that I bought. And then this one says Simply Magical, and it's in blue, so it matches this. So I've got to fit those in along with the photos. All right, I have the left-hand side laid out here. I think this is what I'm going with. I like that this photo is overlapped just a little bit here. I like that these, you can still see the yellow behind it and between there. And then these two are next to each other with purple in them, and it really brings out the purple in the background paper. So I think I'm gonna keep this and glue it all down, and then I'm gonna add some extra little things after that part's done. I have everything glued down on this page. These are drying right now, and I found this in my stash. And not only is it blue, so it matches, but for this picture, both my daughter and my younger son are Ravenclaws. So I think I'm just going to take this and put it right here. Now, these were pins originally, and I just took the back out of it so that the pin wouldn't be there. And then I'm going to attach it with a couple of glue dots around the edge, and then I will place it right here. So the little Ravenclaw flair is down there. And I went back to my stash to find some other things that I could maybe put around the page, and I found these. So you're just as sane as I am, which is something that Luna says, and she's also a Ravenclaw, so that just happens to work. And then Accio. So, you know what I just noticed? They misspelled this. It has 3 C's. I didn't even notice it. It's only supposed to have 2. This is a digital set that I bought that's all Harry Potter themed words, and I bet that the person who made it doesn't even realize it. Shoot, why can't I use that now? Because I know it's misspelled, dang it. All right, well, I'll try to find something else, but I'm still going to use the Luna phrase because I love it. Well, I found this. I have a few stickers left that I've been using from a pack that I had, and I figure if I have this one, I might as well use it. It's much, much bigger than what I had planned to use, but that's okay. So I think I'm going to put it right down here. There we go. On this left side of the layout, I'm going to add one more thing, and I have these fun arrow stickers, and I thought I would do this one. It's gray, so it's a neutral and it matches. And then because of all these different instructions here, I thought if I just kind of put the arrow like that, it'd be cute, kind of a whimsical little accent that works with this card. The sticker is now attached to the page, and I really like it. I think it adds just a little bit extra to make this fun. So now that the left side is done, it's on to the right side. So for the right hand side of this layout, I already have my placement decided, and it was really easy because this is a collage print. So this isn't adhered yet. You can kind of see that I just did this as a collage. I did put one sticker down already that I liked, so that's already on there. And then I placed the sticker so that this will fit between approximately like that, and then I'm going to have to add in some other things as well, but this is my starting point. One of the other cards I have from a digital pack is this one. Love it. It's just glasses and the scar from Harry Potter, and I'm just going to overlap it a little bit over the edge of the collage. Then it gives a little bit of margin with the purple here, but sits flush with the sticker that I have in place. I also have these two items that I want to use. This is a flair that says Muggle. Again, this one was also a pin. I took the back out and just made it into a piece of flair badge there. And then I have this word phrase here from the digital pack that says stupefy. So it's not like the other one that I discovered was misspelled. This one is correct. So I'm going to add those over on this side. So I added the saying here and the flair there. That side is good. I don't think I want to do anything else over there. But on the left side, I have these two items. This is another pocket card from that same digital set, and it's got the little lightning bolts there. And then I have this one, Spotted, a Muggle, and I want to include them over here on the left somehow. And I think what I may do is I may tuck this underneath here so that you just kind of see it poking out. And then this, since there's not much room down here and I already have something, I think I may just overlap it like this or over here, or maybe flush to the edge. I'm not sure, but I want it to be up there somewhere. So I will figure out the placement of those and then I'll be back. I did tuck this under and I left just a hair of a margin there so you could see some purple peeking out. And then I overlap this with a collage, but it is flush to the top of this sticker, which I like. Now, the only other thing with this one is there's a lot of blank space, a lot of empty space here and up here. So I think I am going to use some Heidi Shine Gold Color Shine here on this page. I will probably put some on the left-hand side as well, just to make it cohesive. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Heidi Shine, and then I'll be back again. So I did put the gold on there. It's a little tough to see here. There we go. I've got a little bit of shadow creeping in here, but you can see there it is around the page. And there's even some up in the blue area. It's a little tough to see right now, but there it is. And then here's the right side. So you can see some up at the top there, around the sides. There we go. It's obviously not completely dry yet. That will take a little bit. But for all intents and purposes, I think this one is done. I've removed the camera from the stand again so that you can see it in its entirety, both sides. So even though they are not the same subject or event necessarily, they do match, I think, because we've got blue and the purple and a little bit of yellow and gold elements in there that tie it all together. So I hope you enjoyed watching me put this one together. Thanks for watching, everyone.